A serial production of Russia's upgraded Mi-171Sh Storm military transport helicopter, which is armed with guided missiles, will start in 2 years, a senior official with Ulan-Ude aviation plant told TASS on Thursday. The serial production of the modernized Mi-171Sh helicopter will begin in 2022, Mikhail Karpushkin, a deputy head of the Marketing, Sales and Maintenance Department of the Ulan-Ude aviation plant, announced to TASS speaking on the sidelines of the Army 2020 forum in Russia. The upgraded Mi-171Sh Storm helicopter was displayed for the first time at the Army 2020 forum. The aircraft features enhanced protection and displays unique striking capabilities. The Army 2020 International Military and Technical Forum opened on the territory of the Russian Armed Forces Patriot Congress and Exhibition Center near Moscow on August 23 and it runs through August 29. Some weapons are demonstrated at the Alabino Training Ground, the Kubinka Aerodrome and the Ashulik Practice Range in the Astrakhan region. Representatives of about 100 countries were earlier reported to attend the forum. Over 1,500 companies and enterprises are demonstrating about 28,000 exhibits. Almost 700 advanced weapon systems are demonstrated in the static and dynamic shows at the Army 2020 forum.